Let's learn about vegetables. That's right, from crunchy carrots to leafy spinach. From spicy onions to cool cucumbers, vegetables come in all shapes and colors. Ready to explore the garden? Let's dig in. Let's chomp into the crunchy and colorful veggies that pop with flavor and fun.
This is a carrot.
Carrots are orange and crunchy. They love hiding in salads and soups.
Say hello to a bell pepper.
Bell peppers come in red, yellow, and green. They're colorful and sweet.
Look, it's a cabbage.
Cabbage is round and leafy. It's great in rolls and stir-fries.
Here comes a cauliflower.
Cauliflower is a white, bumpy veggie that looks like a fluffy cloud.
This is broccoli.
Broccoli looks like a tiny green tree. It's packed with goodness. Now meet the leafy and green gang, fresh, soft, and full of power.
Look at the spinach.
Spinach is soft and green. It makes you strong like a superhero.
This is lettuce.
Lettuce is light and crispy. It's the king of salads.
Here's some curly kale.
Kale is curly and crunchy. It loves smoothies and soups.
Say hi to mustard greens.
Mustard greens are spicy and bold. They wake up your taste buds.
That's fenugreek leaves.
Fenugreek leaves are tiny, green, and full of flavor. Time to dig deep with tubers and roots, hidden treasures from the ground.
Meet the potato.
Potatoes are brown and round. They can be fries, chips, or mash.
Here comes a sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes are orange and sweet, perfect for roasting.
This is beetroot.
Beetroot is red and juicy. It makes your plate super bright.
Say hello to the turnip.
Turnips are white and round. They're soft and tasty when cooked.
Look at the radish.
Radish is crunchy and spicy. It hides in sandwiches and salads. Splash into the cool and watery veggies, crisp and juicy every time.
Here comes a cucumber.
Cucumbers are cool and watery. They love chilling in salads.
Say hi to zucchini.
Zucchini is soft and green. It bakes and cooks so well.
Look, it's a pumpkin.
Pumpkins are big, orange, and round, perfect for pie.
This is gourd.
Ash gourds are white and waxy. They float in soups and stews.
Here comes chayote.
Chayote is a wrinkly green veggie. It's mild and crunchy. Here comes the spicy and zingy squad, bold and full of flavor.
That's an onion.
Onions are round and layered. They're in almost every dish.
This is garlic.
Garlic is tiny but strong. It gives a bold flavor.
Here comes Ginger.
Ginger is knobbly and spicy. It keeps you warm and healthy.
Look, it's a green chili.
Green chilies are small and hot. They bring the fire.
This is turmeric root.
Turmeric root is golden and earthy. It adds color and health to dishes. Let's jump into the beans and pods bonanza, tiny, tasty veggie buddies.
These are green beans.
Green beans are long and crunchy. They snap when you bend them.
Say hello to yard-long beans.
Yard-long beans are super long and fun, like stretchy noodles.
Here comes a lima bean.
Lima beans are big and soft. They're great in soups.
Look, it's a cluster bean.
Cluster beans grow in groups. They love curries.
These are peas.
Peas are tiny green balls hiding in pods, fun to pop. These are the funny shapes, wobbly, twisty, and full of surprises.
That's a brinjal.
Brinjal is shiny and purple. It's also called eggplant.
Here comes a tomato.
Tomatoes are red and juicy. They love being in sauces.
Look at the okra.
Okra is green and sticky. It's fun to fry.
Say hi to corn.
Corn is golden and sweet. It loves being on a cob.
This is kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi is round with leafy arms, like a veggie alien. Swinging in next, climbers and vines from the garden jungle.
Look, it's a bottle gourd.
Bottle gourds are long and smooth. They grow on vines.
Here comes a ridge gourd.
Ridge gourds are bumpy and green. They add crunch to curries.
That's a bitter gourd.
Bitter gourds are rough and sharp. They taste bitter but are very healthy.
Say hi to snake gourd.
Snake gourds are long and twisty, just like a snake.
Look at the ivy gourd.
Ivy gourds are tiny and striped. They love quick stir-fry. Say hello to the supermarket stars, the most famous veggies on the shelf.
This is celery.
Celery is light and crunchy. It loves hanging out in soups.
Say hi to spring onion.
Spring onions are long and leafy. They're perfect in noodles.
Here comes parsley.
Parse green and curly. It adds a fresh, fun touch.
This is an artichoke.
Artichokes are round and leafy. You peel the leaves and dip them.
Look, it's a mushroom.
Mushrooms are soft and spongy. They grow in shady spots and love pizza. And finally, chef's picks, the must-have veggies in every yummy dish.
Here comes coriander leaves.
Coriander leaves are tiny and tasty. They sprinkle flavor everywhere.
Say hi to curry leaves.
Curry leaves are dark and shiny. They sizzle and pop in hot oil.
This is drumstick.
Drumsticks are long and thin. They grow on tall moringa trees.
Look at amaranth leaves.
Amaranth leaves are red or green. They're soft and tasty in stir-fries.
And finally, Here comes dill leaves.
Dill leaves are feathery and fresh. They smell amazing in soups and stews. Well done, little veggie explorers. We discovered so many fun and tasty vegetables today. Keep exploring, keep munching, and stay super healthy.